Hi there! Welcome to Talk Nerdy to Me, where we break down tech insights in a way that's easy to understand and fun to explore. Today, we're diving into the different ways organizations are making the big move from on-premises infrastructure to the cloud, specifically Azure and Oracle Cloud infrastructure. If you've been wondering how companies decide to take that leap and what their options look like, stick around. We've got some great insights to share. Let's kick things off with the lift and shift and shine approach. The idea here is straightforward. You pick up your existing applications and workloads and move them from your on-premises setup to the cloud, with as few changes as possible. It's quick, cost-effective in the short term, and a solid way to get out of aging or failing data centers. However, it doesn't really take advantage of all the amazing capabilities the cloud offers. Essentially, it's like packing up your old house and moving all the furniture into a new one without any updates. Sure, it works, but it's not exactly transformative. That's where the shine comes in. Even with a simple lift and shift, you can start optimizing. For example, in Azure, you can schedule virtual machines to automatically shut down outside business hours, cutting costs without breaking a sweat. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure offers similar options, like leveraging flexible resource scaling. So, while this approach isn't the most innovative, adding a little shine makes it much more practical and cost-effective. Now let's step up to lift and shift and modernization. This takes the basic lift and shift idea and adds a layer of cloud-savvy thinking. Instead of simply moving workloads as is, you make minimal changes to your application to leverage platform-as-a-service offerings. Think of it as not just moving into a new house, but also adding smart appliances or upgrading the heating system. For instance, instead of running a traditional on-premises database on a virtual machine, you might migrate to Azure SQL Database or Oracle Autonomous Database. These managed services handle backups, scaling, and even some maintenance for you, freeing up your team to focus on more critical tasks. It's a great middle ground for organizations that want some modernization benefits without the complexity of a full overhaul. For companies looking to make deeper improvements, replatforming is a fantastic option. This involves making small but impactful tweaks to your applications so they can take better advantage of cloud-native features. It's like renovating your kitchen or adding energy-efficient windows to your new home. In Azure, tools like App Service and Azure SQL let you optimize your applications while keeping much of your existing architecture intact. On the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure side, database migration tools and Apex offer similar opportunities to improve performance and reliability. Replatforming is perfect for businesses that want to embrace the cloud more fully while still keeping the transition manageable. If you're ready to go all in, refactoring or re-architecting is the way to unlock the full potential of the cloud. This approach involves redesigning your applications from the ground up to be cloud native. Imagine building your dream home completely from scratch, every detail customized to your exact needs. In Azure, this could mean adopting Kubernetes for microservices or serverless computing with Azure Functions. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure also supports refactoring with its container engine for Kubernetes and advanced AI and machine learning tools. Yes, this approach takes time, effort, and investment, but the long-term benefits are significant: scalability, cost optimization, and future-proofing your applications for emerging technologies. Finally, let's talk about hybrid cloud, which is all about blending the best of both worlds, keeping control of your on-premises resources while enjoying the flexibility and scalability of the cloud. This is where Azure Arc really shines. Azure Arc gives you a single pane of glass to manage and monitor your on-premises virtual machines alongside your cloud resources. Imagine being able to apply consistent policies, perform updates, and track performance metrics for all your environments, whether they're on-premises or in Azure. It's an incredibly powerful tool for businesses that aren't ready to go fully cloud-based, but still want centralized management and improved operational efficiency. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Talk Nerdy to Me. We've explored the different ways organizations can move their workloads to the cloud, from lift and shift and shine, to lift and shift and modernization, replatforming, refactoring, and even hybrid cloud setups with tools like Azure Arc. Each option offers unique benefits, and the best choice really depends on your business goals, resources, and timeline. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend or colleague who's curious about the cloud. Stay curious, stay clever, and as always, talk nerdy to me. Catch you next time.